Hello, friends. On this day, I went ahead and planted a whole lot of spearmint and peppermint seeds in my yard, just randomly placed throughout the yard. Nothing special. And before you mentioned how invasive they are, that's what I was looking for. We have a lot of insects and spiders and various bugs and creatures down here, and what I was doing was spreading the spearmint and peppermint seeds throughout my yard so that they would grow and be invasive, just what I want, to help cut down on the bug situation. We also have a lot of mosquitoes, so that's what I'm doing. So enjoy.